Some basketball news now. Urban Knights are champions of the National Basketball League again after beating the Upper Room Eagles 2-0 in their best-of-3 final series on Tuesday night at the National Stadium courts.
The Urban Knights won their 7th national basketball title after defending their crown with a 67-56 win over the Upper Room Eagles to wrap up their best-of-3 final series 2-0 on Tuesday night at the National Stadium courts. It was a second quarter rally that set up the victory for the Knights as the Eagles jumped out to a 14-9 lead after the first. The champions responded with a 27-point performance while limiting the Eagles as the Knights led 36-29 at the break. The second half was all about maintaining the standard as the Knights outscored their opponents 31-27 over the last 2 quarters to take the victory. Nikolai Brown and Ramen Spence both had double-doubles on the night with 24 points each, while Brown had 14 rebounds, with Spence pulling down 10.
Well, I must start with this beautiful, group of guys. I mean, they stick to the task all season long. A lot of things happen with this team. Players, a lot of teams country out, a lot of players went overseas, and we're here, right here again, to become champions. I'm proud of my group. I must commend the Upper Room group. I mean, they played a hard fight game today, but we did have enough to survive this one, and I'm grateful.
Well, we came out flying in the first quarter, and second quarter, I saw the problems, I tried to fix it. But to be honest, we are a shooting team and there was a lid on the rim tonight. It was a poor shooting performance, but nothing that I am blaming the team for. Sometimes that's just the way it is.
Captain for the Knights, Ramen Spence, who was clinical from 3-point range, says the team was determined to end the finals in 2 games.
We decided that once we reach a quarterfinal, we're just going to play 6 more games based on the fact that it's a best-of-3 tournament, best-of-3. So we just make up our mind, so we're going to play 6 more games. So we swept straight to the final and came out, Upper Room, back-to-back. We have them for play in the finals. My team just came out, listened to the coaches, played defense, and we put our best foot forward and came out victorious.
Vice Captain Omar Barnes, who was injured in Game 1, says a win this season means a lot to him.
For me, Holt and the team really fight, and I see that the team go through and get this one for the club with 7 and my 4th with the club. It's amazing for me.
The Knights have the pleasure of lifting the Marlon Natty Trophy on the night.
We're doing things a little bit different this year. We gave the award out, the championship trophy tonight, but there are some category awards. So we want to have a kind of a session with the category winners on the 12th of July, where we can, in a more comfortable setting, offer the awards and the accolades that are necessary. It has been 3 or 4 hard months of basketball, and I think the players deserve that. So that's what we're going to do this year.
Meanwhile, St. George's Slayers defeated the Running Rebels 63-45 to take 3rd.